Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. As title suggests, today's video is about an order on Kerala mural painting. It's a Radha Krishna painting and it took me around a month to complete. So I am not able to take all the details of the painting, but I managed to take some clips. The video for the process of the Kerala mural is in my channel. If you are new to my channel, please go and watch the video. Link is in description box. The size of the canvas is 4.5 feet by 4 feet. First giving 2 layers of acrylic white color to the canvas. Started with outlining the sketch. After completing the outlining part, I started the background. These are the different stages of development of the work. Some intricate details of the painting. This is just a gist of the painting. Hope you all like it. It took a lot of effort from preparing a canvas to make it a piece of art. Hope you all like the video. If you like the painting, please hit the like button. Do subscribe to our channel. Dear all, do comment and let me know what you feel. If you have some suggestions about the video, feel free to comment. Your comments are valuable and it gives me a lot of motivation for further videos. And I can understand what type of videos you like and I can work accordingly. And finally, packing the order. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Okay friends, take care, bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.